In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let users upload files and photos in Google Forms. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's crystal clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you are in Google Drive, you'll want to look for the Apps section. You may need to scroll or click around a bit, but this section is your gateway to accessing all the great tools Google offers. Okay, once you've clicked on Apps, you'll see a list of different applications that you can use. Among these, spot the Forms app and click on it. This will take you to Google Forms, where you can start creating your new form. Now in Google Forms, you'll begin with a blank form. Click on that option to set up your form from scratch. This blank canvas is perfect for customizing exactly what you need. The next step is to name your form. Choose something descriptive that highlights what the form is about. This helps not only you in organizing your forms, but also gives your users a clear indication of what to expect. With the form named, it's time to add a question. This is where you'll specify what information or files you need from your users. The question can be as general or specific as you like, depending on your needs. After you've set your question, look towards the top of the form's interface and click on Responses. This is a crucial step because you'll now tell Google Forms to expect file uploads. To do this, click on File Upload. When you select this option, a prompt might appear, and you'll need to click Continue to agree that files will be uploaded and stored in your Google Drive. We're not quite done yet. You might want to allow only specific file types. For instance, if you're collecting photos, you'll want to set it to accept image files only. Navigate to the Settings option, where you can control which file types are acceptable. Select the types you need for your form. Next, you'll determine how many files a user can upload. You can set a maximum number to prevent overload and keep your form organized. This setting is found in the same general area where you selected file types. Similarly, consider the maximum file size that you want to allow. This is especially important if space in your Google Drive is a concern. Set a size that's practical for what you expect users will submit. With all these settings configured, you're ready to share your form with the world. Click on Publish to make your form live so that others can fill it out and upload files. Finally, it's always a good idea to preview your form. Click over to Preview to see exactly what your users will see. This step ensures everything looks right and functions as expected, giving you a chance to make any last-minute tweaks. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google form that allows users to upload files and photos. With this powerful tool, collecting data just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.